just drops like stones. It's either rains or it doesn't. There's just no any other way to this. Hello my people, hello my people, what's up my people? Oh boy, how's everybody? How's the holidays? Can I even hear these people? How are y'all doing? Hi. Hello. Oh my god, the love here is too much. Hi Betty, hi Queen Kudum, hi Ruhanga, hi Shatra Winnie, Alan Balaira, Jerry, Irene. So how was your holidays, guys? South Africa is definitely not a place to be at this time. This is the worst country anybody could ever be at this season. No wonder I always run off to Uganda. I was just so scared because of all the tear gas and all the fights and the COVID case numbers as well. Equally the same. Actually, South Africa could be more. But we actually, much more, yeah. But Ugandans are also dying, you know. It's just, I think we don't really have resources. We don't have available resources for every citizen to check their COVID status. But I think Ugandans are also dying of this thing. Yeah, so I'm stuck in Pretoria. I actually planned a holiday in Cape Town that I didn't go to because that is the hotspot of COVID in South Africa. Try to plan something as well. I'm actually with my manager. He's driving. We have yeah, we have work to do. We've got a shoot, so we decided to work. I mean, what can we do? We have a shoot. Yeah, so I planned something for New Year's, and then the President Cyril Ramaphosa came and it's like, no, I'm putting you back to level 3 of lockdown. Everybody's expected to be in their homes at 8.
No partying.
No parties, no drinks, liquor stores, the bottle stores are closed. Your friend is so bad here. Yeah, so we're not gonna watch any fireworks. Yeah, there's no festival concerts.
Nope.
Yeah,
None of that.
You're so
Just
quiet.
Manager taking care of her all the time while I drive her.
Yeah.
So driving and going
It's nice
live.
when you actually have a manager who can be driver. Oh, my makeup artist is so chilled there. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so we just working. We've got a shoot. So I see I'm all looking pretty. And it's UK people for you. Just want to wish everybody happy holidays. Just want to say I love you. Stay safe. Yeah, my outfit, I'm wearing a super duper outfit that is also got a mask by Judy Sanderson. You're gonna see this outfit that I'm wearing. We're going for a shoot, so just stay safe. I mean, this thing is really extremely dangerous, and I've seen it with the people with the numbers in South Africa. So really I'm begging you guys, stay safe. You know, I was so used to hosting. I'm not even hosting for New Year's. I no longer want people in my home. I really love hosting. You know, I'm a host. I'm very social. I love having people around me and just having fun. But this New Year's Eve is just going to be me and my kids and our nannies. It's enough. It's just enough. Yeah, otherwise we might not make it into 2021. Yeah. Happy holidays from me, my team, from Brooklyn Group of Companies, Brooklyn City College, Brooklyn Health Academy.
And the manager.
And the manager. You need to focus on the road.
I'm focusing on the road.
Because you're focusing on social media. I'm speaking of dying of COVID. Now you want to kill me with a car crash. Friend, that's going to be like the biggest news ever.
Nah, I'm not trying to be in nobody's news.
Yeah.
Like, I'm more of
I'm telling you, Ugandans would come. Nah, Ugandans would come for you. You know, I'm Uganda's sweetheart.
Ugandans love me.
I'm Uganda's sweetheart.
They're giving me a
Argue with your ancestors. I said I'm Uganda's sweetheart.
Hey?
I'm telling them.
You are Uganda's sweetheart.
Yeah, so just on another note, you know, every time I come live, I'm always gonna emphasize on this. I'm always gonna emphasize, I don't ask money to do charities. All these people that are DMing these fake accounts and you contacting people on those numbers, those are not my numbers.
It's your own fault if you fall for those tricks.
If you fall victim for this, it's your fault. Unfortunately, I will not be held responsible. I never request money from anyone. Guy says, no, I send this girl $100, $500. Me, Zari Hassan Yelangiridde. Really? You're trying to hit on me and that's the best you can do? $100? Can't you even really pick up like, this is not Zari? My standards are too high. I've set them too high, and I'm very comfortable to say that because, look, I work for this shit. So I've raised my standards. I don't know how you're trying to get to me and like, oh, I've got a problem with rent. You need to top up $100. One other guy told me this girl literally told him she's got a rent problem. She needs to top up. Like, I live in my own house. How now do I need $100 for you to top up my rent? I'm a property owner and I'm not bragging. It's a blessing, you know. We've learned to count our blessings, and some people from a jealousy point of view, they're like, oh, she brags too much. No, I don't ask for 100 rands to top up on my rent. You know, my ass on the road, like, you know, when you're a driver and you're sitting in a co-passenger seat. Yeah, you become, every time he steps on the brake, you go, every time.
No, that's not true.
Every time you step
smoothly.
No, I didn't say like you step once, but every time you.
Man, I take care.
Then I'm like,
when do I not take care?
I'm also pressing the brakes in my mind somewhere. My leg is busy.
And I'm such a slow driver. So
yeah, right. Why am I catching a flu? Y'all came with COVID in my house.
Oh, so that's like,
must be you.
It must be me. My repression stream doesn't have.
No. Y'all came with COVID in my house.
No, it's not, we don't have the hotspot. You are the hotspot.
No, don't trust anyone. Oh
no, guys. Pretoria is a hotspot. That's why I don't want to be close to people. Pretoria has been named second after Gauteng, actually. Tshwane actually, after Cape Town. Then it's Pretoria. Yeah, it's Cape Town, Tshwane, which is Pretoria, then you're Joburg.
Yeah, it must be safe.
Like Josie is not safe. Alright, just to get back to that topic, if you get defrauded, if you get robbed via social media pages that are using fake accounts, using my pictures, I think there's this other place called the Marketplace. This place, everybody that is selling whitening creams there has a picture of me on their products. That is not my products. You're gonna get your face banned. Look at my fingers.
And report the page immediately.
Look at that. Is this bleaching? My mom is half Indian, so I obviously have a little bit of colored blood in me. So all these bleaching products on the marketplace, that's not my product. At your own risk. If you are a guy and you're trying to hit it, trying to get some Zari booty, trying to get some Zari sauce, and you think, oh, I got her number, I'm gonna speak to her, honey. Bagenda Kuba.
What does that mean?
Bagenda Kuba, they're gonna rob you. Bagenda Kuba. Shut up.
Let me say, come on.
Bagenda Kuba.
Bagenda Kuba.
That is so American. That is so you. You grow up in the States, so that is.
That's very
very American. That is very.
Bagenda Kuba.
Bagenda Kuba. Bagenda Kuba.
Bagenda Kuba.
Oh, he can't get it right. So guys, please do fake accounts, charity. One director of a company actually managed to get hold of me, and he told me of how this person robbed them. And when they were about to send the second amount to transfer, they requested a meeting with Zari. And this guy said, no, Zari is not available. She's in the UK. Has anybody seen me in the UK for the last 2 years? What I'm talking about is like recent now, October or something. Somebody says I was in the UK for a business trip. Zari couldn't come. And I think the director of the company followed up with this person. Eventually the person switched off the phone after, finding out now the guy is talking to me. And I said, sir, I really appreciate, but I would never ask anybody to help me with my tiny small charity projects that I do. Yeah, so I'm catching a flu. I think it's the AC or it's these two. Now, you know, when I get sick, my whole family is sick. My 5 children, my 2 nannies. Karim always comes there to camp some days, and my nephew and my stepbrother.
It is not me. Speak to Jeff.
I'm really catching a cold here. I don't know what's happening. No, you're not.
I'm fresh.
Dude,
buddy.
you're not.
He looks like
You can see I'm fresh.
What makes it, you know, COVID these days,
But you suck, I was still
the
sleeping.
new. Yeah, you were the one sleeping.
Yeah,
You got the
I was taking
symptoms.
a
Nah, dude, now I know.
Never that.
Dude, you got symptoms.
Of what?
Dude, you got symptoms of COVID. Actually, not
Nah.
COVID. The variant COVID. COVID variant light 101 something. What did the president say this thing is called? Guys, we have a new type of COVID in South
Well,
Africa.
It makes you fall asleep.
Yeah, it actually gives you diarrhea. You know, it's not doing the breathing things, symptoms. Yeah, it gives you diarrhea or you just get sick. South Africa has been banned from going to Dubai. We've been banned from going to the UK. I don't know which other countries have banned us. So, yeah, we're stuck here. But you know what? Doesn't matter. We are alive, we are blessed, we are breathing, we are laughing. That alone is a
Just
blessing.
living and loving life.
Yeah.
Glowing.
And we are glowing, honey. We are growing and glowing. Yeah. Growing and yeah. Alright, so guys, keep well. I gotta go. My team gotta go. We're heading out to the set. The town seems empty. And you see going down, it looks quite empty, which is good because we need the location to be
We
quiet.
need y'all to be home.
It says stay home, stay
Stay home,
safe.
stay safe,
Yeah.
sanitize.
I love you very much. Happy New Year. I know we're not gonna speak until next year, which is in a couple of days. So Happy New Year. If you have to condomize. As for a mask, it's a must. A mask
Wear
is
the
a
mask on your
must.
face, wear the mask downstairs. Okay?
Sanitize.
That's how we work.
Remember to sanitize. Remember to wash those hands as many times as you can. We love you very much from me and my team and my family. Until next time, Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Mwah.
Peace out.
Peace out. It's your girl Zari, aka the boss lady. Someone was supposed to say that.
In the
Yeah,
makeup and
let's finish it again.
Okay. Alright, it's your girl Zari signing out, aka
The boss lady.
that's what's up, my manager. Alright guys, we love you. Bye.